how to track body weight and take measurements. So I'm going to scroll up and I'm going to click on track body stats and then click track. Obviously your weight from the scales will be recorded at the top, and this is something that I will ask you to do weekly or daily. The body fat and caliper body fat percentages you can ignore. When we come down to the measurements section, please only take the measurements that are relevant to you. You do not have to take every single measurement, and make sure you get them from your left and your right hand side. A little bit of advice on the measurements to try and make sure that you get them from the same point each time so they are as accurate as possible. For example, if I measure the bicep, I would measure on the midpoint between the shoulder and the elbow joint. Okay, if I measure the waist, I would measure around the belly button, just as a few examples. There is also no need to take every single measurement that is listed below. I always recommend only taking the measurements that are actually relevant to you. In terms of females, if you're wanting to take a glute measurement, I recommend putting this into the hips section. Whenever you do take any of these measurements, weighing in, or obviously using the tape measure around the body, please ensure that these are done first thing as soon as you get out of bed on a morning and have used the bathroom. It's also worth noting, in terms of doing the tape measure measurements, I recommend doing them once every 4 weeks. However, once every 2 weeks is also okay, but there is no point in doing them every week.